this occasion, I greet you and I am sure that despite the not very favorable conditions, you will be able to successfully celebrate this very powerful event and will be an memorable event. I would look forward for Trisha 2008. As mentioned, my desire is to see an enhancement in the quality of technical education and increase the employability of our graduates so as to make India a truly knowledge superpower. As you know that at this point in time, we are at this threshold of India and all the positive factors in its favor to really make it a global player in its quality, in its knowledge journey, because we are the largest, amongst the largest human resources in the world. Indians are known to be very intelligent people intellectually. Intrinsically, every Indian is a very brilliant person in him or her, irrespective of his educational background. This is the nature's gift to India. We therefore constitute a very large amount of intellectual human resource capital residing in this nation. Fortunately, India is a youthful nation. More than 65% of Indians are less than 35 years of age. While the rest of the world is developed, world is aging, this is a great opportunity for India to lead the knowledge world, because we are the youngest among the youngest nations, and if we can really nurture our young talent in an outstanding quality manner, not only India would be the market for us, the whole world would be the market for us, because the demographic profile is in India's favor. Indian information technology, I believe in the next 100 years, India would be shining in IT, but not information technology, but IT is unique Indian talent. Therefore, irrespective of the graduate engineering or professional subject, if we can achieve outstanding quality and produce outstanding talent, this Indian talent will be more sought after commodity in the world, and this will take India to the greatest heights, such the conditions, and I believe that we must get inspired by these favorable conditions at this point in time and nurture our talent to make them truly outstanding quality to be empowered globally, not in India. And even to this side, like Trisha 2007, definitely work in direction of making you more employable, because when we look at the quality and the skill set of people who are truly employable globally, it requires a combination of skill set, and this skill set is knowledge, skill and attitude. The knowledge is specific to the domain in which you are working, the skill is to translate that knowledge into practical situation, and the positive attitude, which actually is the most important component of the skill set required to enhance employability, is the leadership qualities, managing time, managing resources, managing projects. And events such as Trisha 2007 are events which will really make you, these softer skills will come to play a very important role in the process of managing these events, which requires leadership, coordination, teamwork, resource management, time management, project management, and therefore I for one, to me, they are the part of the learning process in professional institutions, because in professional institutions, learning outside the classroom is as much important, if not more, as learning within the classroom, because this is the holistic requirement that we actually make you fully employable. Of course, in addition, the communication skills. And therefore, I am a very strong supporter of events of this kind, and I am sure that you, by going through these events, will surely have a value gain in the process of their total skill sets that are required. Indeed, excellence is one more factor that actually is in India's favor. In fact, if you have to identify what is so great in India, one of the most important unique features that comes in India's favor is India's parenting. To me, Indian parents is the most outstanding parents in the world. They actually live for their children. In the process, even if the parent did not get the education, he has a hidden desire in him or her to see that he or her child gets a good quality education, and he is willing to sacrifice his personal comfort to see that his child gets a good quality education. This is not a grade. To me, it's an opportunity to create good quality institutions where the dream aspiration of every parent gets fulfilled, so that we feel great that the institution in which a good quality education is a hidden aspiration in every Indian parent, and he or she is willing to sacrifice their personal comfort. To me, this is a very unique opportunity which we must really make use of to provide great quality education in the technical system. Actually, be inspired by successes. I believe I learned from the presentations made that you have been getting good ranking in UPTU. My very best wishes for you, because inspired by your past success, the journey to excellence is never ending one. It's like riding a bicycle, the moment you stop you fall. Therefore, in a highly competitive world today, even to retain your present position, you have to run. Therefore, that's the kind of competitive world that we see today. So I am sure that inspired by your past successes, you will continue to march forward in the journey towards excellence. And in journey towards excellence, the never-ending one, it involves everyone, and excellence is not actually given by force or control or inspection. Excellence is to be nurtured. Excellence has to be done only when everybody participates with shared vision. I am sure that you will create an environment of marching forward in the path of academic excellence, taking all stakeholders' aspirations, involving everyone. To me, the role of a teacher is actually summed up by the acronym IIT, which actually stands for excellence, and that's where I spent 45 years of my life. To me, IIT in a technical educational sector means a teacher's role is IIT, involve, inspire and transform. If we can involve our students, inspire our students and transform them to outstanding quality product, we have actually contributed effectively as teachers of this technical education system. I wish you all the best, and I am sure that Azad Institute will march forward in its journey towards excellence. My best wishes of all the best. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you so much, sir. Those were very well said words.
Students interested in participating in network gaming, please report.